Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I want to do a little kind of get ready with me and also just the first impressions on the new Kylie Cosmetics Birthday Collection. I did buy one of the sets, not the entire bundle because that was expensive, girl, but I bought the smaller bundle, and I'll be honest, it's like specifically because I really wanted this. I thought this was so cool. This is the little lipstick bundle, and it obviously looks like a stack of money. It's more money than I'll ever have in my life, but oh, and I didn't even notice because it's her 22nd birthday. It's cute that it has the number 22 on the sides as opposed to being like the $20 bill. It's really cool though. Isn't that just the cutest? These are what the lipsticks look like on the inside. I don't love the dollar bill sign everywhere, but I guess it's really fitting for Kylie, isn't it? And then I got the jelly highlighter, which I've never tried one of these. It also came with the shimmer eye glaze. It came with a lip gloss, a liquid lipstick set with the lip liner, and then of course the You're So Money Baby palette. Office fans out there, hi, how are you? I love you. This You're So Money Baby name makes me think of that episode where Ryan comes back and he's like, I don't want to spoil anything, but he's got the cool corporate job, and then Kevin's like, he's so money and he doesn't even know it. I don't know. I'll figure out a way to reference The Office like in every video if I can. This is the palette. Oops. Love the packaging. Again, dollar signs all up here, which I actually think looks really cool. It definitely does. I wish it didn't go so high because I think it leaves less of the mirror, and I care more about the mirror, so I wish it was framing it better. But these are the shadows. Lots of greens, then pretty neutral pinkies. So we're gonna see what we can do. I haven't tried these Kylie Eye Blazes yet. This is in the shade Dime Piece. Again, just like dollar bill signs all throughout the packaging. I was expecting it to be a little more green. Is there a green one? I think that would be a bit of a miss if there wasn't. It's pretty. This is the Pink Paper Jelly Highlighter. Oh my god, it's like, looks ultra messy. I don't know about that quite yet. I don't know, for some reason it grossed me out a bit. I did buy this myself, you guys, just so you know. Then we have the 1 in a Billion lip gloss. Let's take a look at that. The packaging's all really cute if you like money, I guess. Meh. Not super impressed with that color. Oh my gosh, money everywhere in this collection. I wish it was real $20 bills. Kylie, that would have been cool. Oh wow, like literally it is lined with this money looking thing. And this looks almost real. And I know there's like strict laws about printing things that look like real money. So I wonder how they got it so realistic. Here is the lip thing. I think the color doesn't look anything super exciting. I like the packaging. I don't know about the shade yet. All right, let me zoom you beautiful bitches in. We'll get started. All right, so this is the You're So Money Baby palette. I really want to get into that green today. I want to do a greeny pinky look because the palette looks very greeny pinky. So you love my description. Let's first start with the shade Blue Faces. Blend this up into the transition tone. My brows are a tragedy today. Try not to pay attention to them. I don't know, I'm having a bad brow day. Which is like, if you have a bad brow day, isn't it just like a bad day then in general? Like nothing good can happen on a bad brow day. It's not possible. This is cute. It's kind of like a pinky brown. It's pretty. It's a little beigey, but with a hint of coral. I like it. I don't want to do too much. Just enough to get our transition really going. Cute. Now I want to go into the shade Stacks. I'm just sticking with the same brush. This looks like a really pretty mossy green. Like a little moldy, and I'm here for it. You guys know I love more peculiar, just different shades, and I don't think you see this shade a ton in palettes, so that really excites me. Oh, I'm so dumb. I was just thinking like, why did she do pink and green? I think it's really cool, but why would she do that? And I'm like, oh duh, the whole money theme. It is very like a money green. Just blending that into the crease. So this is an older book. It's not new, and actually right now Lifetime is streaming the movies that were made after this book series, but the main book I'm reading right now is called Heavenly. Have you guys read that? It's a book that would be on Lifetime basically. I like it, but it's also like really sad and like scary. Not like real scary, but just like, oh my god, how could that happen type of situation. So let me know if you've read Heavenly and the rest of the books of the Castile family. This doesn't end up looking too green on the eyelids actually when you start to blend it. I think maybe if you put it all over the lid, maybe it would then. But when you start working in the other shades, it doesn't really look very green. Next I want to go into the shade Bands, this matte brown, and focus that on our outer V here and marry that into the mossy green. It's an interesting palette. I don't know how I feel yet about it. So just like so. I just try to add in a bit more of that green again above the brown that we laid down. And now I just feel like it's getting super muddy, super murky, so I don't want to push that any farther. I think it's one of those shades that are just bound to get a little murky, basically. Next, I want to take my E25 blending brush from Sigma, and I want to go into the shade Breaking Records, this burgundy down here. I really wanted to have this like green burgundy flow going, but that green is just not the best green. It's almost not green enough, I guess. And I'm gonna pop that over the brown on the outer V. It's a nice burgundy though. Oh man, I mean, it's just that mossy green. I think if I would have not used that, I think the look would have been fine. We're not done yet. I'm gonna try and save it, of course, but it's just a little murky. Dang it. It's reminding me, I'm getting flashbacks of like subculture days. Oh, what do we do from here? I just wanna take a dry, clean blending brush real quick and see if I can't unmurk this a bit. Just blend a little bit better maybe. Maybe you guys don't even think it's murky. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. It's looking a little murky to me. And I love peculiar eye makeup, and there's something I'm not loving about this. I don't know how to save it really. Maybe it was just a bad color choice on my part. But we'll keep going. Let's try to make this work here. I really want to use the green. I think I'm going to use this green because I would just be unhappy if I didn't use some green. And I also am really intrigued by this 22 candles look. So should we attempt? This might make the look very strange. Should we attempt to flow them into each other? I kind of want to. So let me cut crease this biatch. I'm gonna take my Glossier concealer, this is what I use to carve my brows, to do my cut creases, and my Sigma E62 cut crease brush that is like specifically designed for cut crease. I'm gonna fast forward through this part so I can get it right and I can focus, so 1 second. Okay, so just like that, and then let me get a flat shader brush, and I'm first going to start with One Hunt, it's called, is that it? One Hunt. 100 right here. And I'm gonna pop that right in here. I hope this doesn't turn super crazy and weird. And then going into 22 candles. Oh, this one's having it's a little chunkier, so it's having a hard time grabbing to the brush. It might actually be easier with a finger. And I'm gonna pop that on that outer half there. Yeah, it's like brush didn't pick up any of it. So let me just go in with my finger. Sometimes you just need to grip it like that. That's much better. I'm gonna try to marry those into each other. I'm like, what am I doing with this makeup look? But maybe it'll turn out really great. I don't know. Kind of trying to marry those together. That's actually fun. It's different. It's just different. What do you guys think? Am I crazy? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this other eye. I still don't know how I feel right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I don't hate it. I actually added more of the burgundy shade, and that gave it a nicer transition, and now I actually think it's kind of cool. So I'm glad I didn't give up and just be like, this is a mess, I'm done. I'm glad I tried to fix it, and I do really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my black gel liner now. This is ColourPop's Swerve eyeliner. I will link it down below. You guys can save 10% off of ColourPop with my code SHAE. It just excludes certain collabs and certain bundles, but it should work on the majority of palettes and things like that. So I'm just doing a nice little wing here to prep for my false lashes. On my waterline, I'm going to use the ColourPop gel liner in the shade Electric Daisy. Beautiful lime green. So I'm just like, why not, right? Let's do it up. And then on the lower lash line, I'm gonna smudge in Stacks first. Starting on this inner half, I think that might look cool, kind of contrasting against the brighter green. So working that in. Summer's going by so quickly, isn't it? Can you guys believe it? I bet a lot of you are either you're getting ready to go back to school or you're getting your kids ready for back to school. Oh my gosh, I miss school supply shopping. That was like my favorite. There was like nothing better than getting new school supplies. And then on the outer corner, let's smudge in some of the burgundy Breaking Records and just kind of marry those together. Just like our top lash line. I think that might be kind of cool, right? I like it. It's different. It's fun. I'm glad I'm starting to like this. I really thought I was gonna hate it. Okay, I'm gonna pop on my mascara and maybe some false lashes, and then I'll be back to finish off the face. Okay, so lashes are on. These are the Ardell Double Whispies. You guys, I actually love this freaking makeup. I was so nervous, but I really, really like it. It's just a little nerve-wracking. I'm being so like over dramatic. It's just like pink and green I don't typically wear together, but I think this is like kind of really fun. I'm really, really into it. So now I'm actually more intrigued by this palette when originally I was just kind of like, oh, I don't know how this is gonna be. But now I'm like, huh, what else can I do with this? I think it's really, really pretty. So let's move on to the rest of the face. I already have a little bronzer on. I'm just wearing Hoola bronzer. The Kylie collection did not come with a new blush, but I want to use one of the new ColourPop strawberry ones. Yeah, I think I want to use, what is this? Shortcake. Love shortcake. Oh my gosh, I need to clean my brushes so bad. I'm such a mess right now. I just have no time, you guys. Every day I have no time for anything. It's crazy. I am so sad when the wedding will be over, but I'm like so excited for it to be over. So I'm just popping this on with my F23 soft angled contour brush from Sigma. I think a little pink blush would be appropriate for this look. Alok and I are watching Big Little Lies right now. I already watched season 1 and most of season 2. I just kind of want to blend this in a little better. I started watching it while Alok was in Colorado for his bachelor party because I wanted a me show that I can watch. A lot of times Alok has to go to bed before I do because I'm up all night editing live swatches usually. And so I just wanted to show that like I can watch and I don't worry about needing to watch it with him because we have so many shows that we watch together that like neither of us can watch them without the other person or we'll be really freaking mad. So I was like, okay, this will be mine because I actually already read the book so I can just now enjoy the show. And then I got through season 1 and I was like, Alok's really gonna like this show. So I only watched like 2 more episodes of season 2 and then I was like, okay, let me stop. I need to wait till he gets home so we can catch up on the show together because he's gonna really freaking like it. And so now we're watching it. So after I'm done filming this, I'm gonna go and edit my video and we're gonna start season 1 of Little Big Lies again. Or again for me, first time for him. This I'm terrified of. This jelly highlighter. I don't know, you guys. I already have powder and like my foundation is set. I don't understand how to use these. So let me just, I'm just like gonna stamp some on the back of my hand here. Gosh, it's a lot of product. I don't know that I'd be able to use this whole thing in my lifetime. I don't wanna take too much. Let me start on the nose. That's always the easiest place for me to start. It's pretty, but it looks like it's moving my foundation. Let's try the cheek. I am terrified. Oh, it's not so bad. Oh, it's actually really pretty. It's kind of like gives you that golden hour effect because it's a bit peachy golden. It's actually really pretty. Wow, Kylie's making me eat crow this entire video. I've been talking shit and I'm just wrong. I love that. I think that's really pretty. The hell's my problem? Can you get how much money this damn girl has? My God, bless her. That's so pretty. I actually love it. Wow, the theme of this video is I'm just an asshole and I had no idea what I was talking about. Oh my God, it looks wet. I'm taking this on my honeymoon. I need to have this on every day. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm getting carried away. See what I do? Every time. It's like perfectly fine and then it's blotchy and weird because I get carried away. So let me just stop here. Let me stop here. I like it though. It really gives you that wet look, doesn't it? Cool. So how do I pick a lip color? This is the liquid lip. That would match fine, but I don't know that it excites me that much. Gloss. And then the lipsticks. This is gonna be too bold with all that's going on my eye. This one is called Mama Boss. That's just too much. It looks beautiful, but it's too much. Then we have Hustle Honey. This is a matte. I was trying to find something that would match that burgundy nicely. It might actually have to be that liquid lipstick. I don't know. Not that it matches, but and then just a pretty nude, which would be nice because this eye is so bold, but I like bold things. So let me swatch these so you guys can see. Ooh, I like this matte. So again, this is this is Money Mindset. It's a beautiful, really light, bright, peachy pink. I think it's so cute that they sit in here like a little, you can have a nice little display. It's really sweet. And then there is Hustle Honey. Yep, Hustle Honey, also a matte formula. That one's really pretty. I actually really like that color. That might be a candidate for my wedding lip. I'm still trying to figure out my wedding makeup. I cannot figure it out for the life of me. Oh, they're all mattes. And then this one, again, Mama Boss. That is beautifully bright. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that. It is loud, but it's really, really pretty. I think the liquid lip might make the most sense. So what lip liner comes with this? This is, it only says Kylie lip liner. So is it just called Kylie? Oh yeah, it is called Kylie. I'm dumb. A little more brown than I was expecting. And then this is the Kylene Velvet Lip. That's actually perfect. I actually really like this lip. Like, again, I was wrong from the beginning. What do you guys think of this makeup? I'm shocked that I really like it. I think it's actually really, really fun. I cannot stop looking at these eyes. I wish I had a more appropriate place to like wear this makeup. I'm actually, like I said, gonna go curl up on the couch with my babe, but yeah, it's really pretty. So my final thoughts on this collection, I'm actually shocked at how much I really like it. I think my favorite thing, honestly, my favorite thing would probably be the lip colors. I think that they are just really, really beautiful. I will wear each one of these shades, just not today, but they are shades that I would wear. And again, God, I hate this about myself, but like packaging just gets me. I'm such a sucker for it. And this is something that like I kind of will just love to have sitting on my makeup, you know, collection. I think it's gonna look really cute. You shouldn't just buy it for the packaging, but I kind of did, and I'm actually happy I did because the colors are really, really beautiful. And you know, you have a fun party color, you have like a beautiful date night dinner color or something more, you know, professional or more toned down, I guess. And then you have a fun bright nude that you can pop anywhere. So I love that. That actually is probably my favorite thing out of the collection. The gloss, I didn't even try, but just looking at it, I mean, we all have 1,000 peachy glosses like this. It's literally nothing special whatsoever. If anything, I wish I bought a bundle, so this all came together. I wish this wasn't in it, and maybe it would have costed a little less because I didn't need that gloss by any means. I am also shocked by this. This really took me by surprise. I thought I was gonna hate this pink paper highlighter, but it looks unbelievably beautiful. I love how wet it looks, and now I need to check out more of these. I want to look at her other shades. I don't even know what other colors she has, but dang, I really, really like it. And you actually get a lot of product. This will last me a lifetime, so that's cool. So the palette, you guys, we did have some weird moments with the You're So Money Baby palette. However, at the end of the day, I ended up really, really liking it. Would I say it's a necessity? No. I could probably, if I would have skipped this, I would have been fine. Now, having tried it and being able to, you know, look back, I'm like, okay, I didn't need it by any means. I really like it though. I don't regret having it, and I'm happy to have it. I really want to do a look with these 3 shades here. I really wish I would have used more of that medium pink tone. It's interesting. You don't see a lot of pink green palettes, and I think it's really pretty. You have so many beautiful colors. I mean, just like a lot of like glam in this palette, but yet it's fun because of the green. I like it, you guys. I thought I hated it, but I actually like it, which is kind of the theme of this entire video. I really thought I wasted my money, but I'm kind of glad that I bought it now. I think it's really pretty. So you guys, that is my first impressions on the Kylie Cosmetics Birthday Collection. Again, I don't have everything. There are some other things available in the collection that I did not get. I just bought the more affordable bundle option that there was. And I'm actually happy with this look. It's different for me. It was fun to mix it up and do a pink-green type of smoky eye. I like how it turned out in the end. So everything I mentioned in this video will be linked down below for you guys to check out. Don't forget you can save 10% off ColourPop with my code SHAE. Thank you guys for watching today. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!